Hello everyone, here I am with super handy tips for easy cleaning of instant pot for potting pot. Usually we use potting pot for daily use like cooking rice, more than one dish along with rice, or steaming idlis etc. After few uses pot gets hard water stains. Here you go with two easy ways of cleaning. Add some water. Add used lemon peel. Keep steel stand, it also gets cleaned. Use instant pot for cooking the food as usual, potting pot. After the food is done, you can see pot got cleaned without scrubbing, zero effort. Discard the water with lemon. As you can see, pot got super clean, shiny and sparkling. Or you can use citric acid. Add quarter teaspoon citric acid. Add some water. As citric acid is edible, it's safe to use at the bottom instant pot for cooking. Or you can do the same without food. Add used lemon peel or citric acid with warm water. Pressure cook without food. Turn off after 5 minutes. Leave it for an hour. You will see the same results. See you again. Thanks for watching.